everyone, Fluffy here, back with another mukbang. It is like noonish, 12:30 here, Texas time, and I can already see that I'm going to get hot. I have the window open, you can see that, but it's getting warm in here. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to try to keep the air running as low as possible. But I'm going to be hot. We have Schlotzskys. And the first thing I have is unsweet tea. Again, Fluffy, what? I know. This tea tastes better than Subway. Just saying. All right. What I have, y'all, I'm going to try it again. What I have is tomato basil soup. Yeah. We're going to test this table, y'all. And then what I have is the Schlotzskys. It's some crackers. The Schlotzskys Original Deluxe. And deluxe just means more meat. Yes. So let's check this out. And here's what the sandwich looks like together. I love this bread, y'all. I think it's focaccia. Oh my gosh, and this cheese, oh, the cheese, I had a cheese pull. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then I got their tomato basil soup, and they asked that I want the toppings, and I think it looked pretty before they put the lid on, but that's okay. We don't mind. Oh, this smells so wonderful, y'all. Tomato basil is what it is. And, you know, I love the sandwich, but this soup is smelling so good between the pesto. It almost smells like pizza. Oh, yeah, look, y'all. Oh. Yep, at least get on the pants and not the cart. Fluff, when you gonna learn that you and soup in a car? No, it's okay. As you know, I do it at home too. Ooh, y'all, this is really good. I don't know how far out Schlotzskys are. Y'all got a Schlotzskys? That's basically what I'm trying to say. Oh my gosh. And I know a lot of their other sandwiches are good. I just can't get away from the original deluxe. Is the only sandwich that I like mustard in it? Yeah, and it's got black olives, and I don't mind that either. I will not be having the crackers because there's enough bread with this. And it's shredded lettuce. And you know what happened last time I ate a Schlotzskys? I haven't done a Schlotzskys in a long time. Here, one last look. Oh my gosh, y'all. Woo-wee. Yeah. All right, here we go. Y'all. Can I tell you? I'm going to show it to you close up because I got such a good shot. It's a drippy sandwich, so you know what I do when we have a drippy sandwich. Because I'm wearing pink, so... No, this is so good. Do y'all really think I should... I know it's all about how the food looks and everything. Can you see this image? Fluff, just eat. Okay, just... We don't care! Okay. I love all the fixings on here. But I love the crunchy crust. The bread is so good. Yeah, I think it's focaccia. Look, Fluff, you had that for a reason. It's drippy. Oh, yeah. No, I think I lost my headband in the convenience store when I went to the restroom. I don't have it on my head, and I've looked around me and I don't see it. Did I leave with it? Did I take it off before? You know what, today. Oh, this soup, y'all. I'm hoping you don't hear the air blowing. The second half of that Subway video, when it shut off because the phone was too hot, that noise you heard was a motorcycle next to me. That's why I kept looking over. I'm like, you're ruining my video. Can you move along? This would taste good in a cup, sitting at the house, watching TV. Oh, they need to sell this in the store. I know someone who, like, can really recreate dishes. I wonder if they could do this. The kid probably could. I just can't even begin to tell you. Let's do another shot of that now that I can lean it more. Look. Oh, it had pesto and shredded Parmesan on top. I need y'all's opinion on something. First of all, I didn't film yesterday. Sorry about that, but I need y'all's opinion. That game we played, it was kind of hard. What do y'all think? Those of you, first of all, thank y'all for making the live fun. I had fun. I always have fun when I talk to y'all. But that game, did y'all struggle too much? Was it too deep of a game for having fun on a Saturday? Because if y'all don't want to continue to play it, I'll take it back. I don't mind. I have to find a game that's fun for adults, and it can translate, across video like that. So, as I know some of y'all were getting frustrated, but trust me, had I been on your side, I probably wouldn't have gotten half of it. So, just let me know, because then I won't try to play with y'all again with it, you know? I've asked Walter to help me look for the second edition. Hopefully he'll have a little bit better luck than me, because I'm still on the waiting list for Amazon. Or it's been a couple of weeks. We can play the cards, Dirty Minds cards again this Saturday if you want. That's if I go live. I haven't made up my mind yet. I play it from week to week. I love this, but this is just hitting the spot for me. They also have a pick two now, so I guess I could have gotten half a sandwich and the soup. I should have done that. I'm going to my mother's house for supper today. Since I've been bringing her dinner on Fridays, I guess she wants to be doing that more for her, for her doing it. So she's been cooking once a week. Oh, it was a big piece, Flop. I know. So I'll be going there. That's why I wanted to go ahead and do lunch. Super slow today. I say super slow. I didn't make my quota, but that's okay. Sorry about that. Yeah. soup, though. Look, I got my arm up. Why do I got my arm? Why got your arm up, Fluff? Fluff, you're not talking. I know. I know. Cowboys lost again. Yo, I'm a diehard Cowboys fans. Even when they suck, they're my team, right? Always. I'm a little upset with them, though. What's with all the drops? Why are they dropping stuff? Try. Okay, Fluff, you already know it's going to drip, so. I know it's a drippy sandwich, but they don't give you many napkins. No, Fluff, you just need all the napkins. Well. Oh, this reminds me, how many of y'all have taken advantage of that CBD sale? The CBD bath bomb sale. I really love it, y'all. I had bought the 4 for 20 bucks and I got the 2 extra. I like it. I bring that up because I picked up a lady. I guess they're starting a CBD business here in town. And actually, I'm at the Schlotzskys in Sarge's old town. Remember I was having to pay for that ticket? Well, they were closed when I went. So I said, well, let me eat lunch and then I'll try to go back down there. Anyway, in my town, she's trying to, they're starting CBD business. So she starts asking me about CBD and stuff because she saw my handicap thingy. And and I forgot why I told her I was diabetic. No, I told her about the bath bombs, and then maybe I shouldn't have because it was by somebody else. Anyway, it reminded me to ask y'all. If you do have a Schlotzskys near you, how many of you have eaten at a Schlotzskys? Did you like it? Well, the kid, she won't stick to one thing on the menu. She'll try different stuff. Me, I get zeroed in on something. And I wanted the loaded baked potato soup. I think that's what they said. But this tomato basil sounded more fresh. I did do a carb comparison. It is tomatoes, and tomatoes is a fruit. And look, it made me feel healthier, okay? Okay. It's almost empty. I didn't get any chips. I wanted them. Their jalapeno chips are really good. I didn't. Oh, look, a piece of ham. It fell out. Okay, what's that pile of garbage? A pile of garbage? Where's my napkin? They look easy on the mustard. I did some food prep that I was taught how to do, and this morning, instead of buying crap at the convenience store, I brought some cucumbers with me, and I kind of munched on that. Slow steps, y'all. What was the sandwich? It was a sandwich. Almost gone. Look at that. Look at how rich. Cause look at that. It's real thick. It's almost like they put cheese in the I know they topped it with cheese, but like you'll see it on the Food Network where they take the Parmigiano Reggiano rind and they throw it in something to get that flavor. It almost feels like it's what it tastes like they did. Yo, took me 16 minutes to eat that big ass sandwich and this cup of soup. I don't think I really talked about anything. It's okay, right? I can have those days. Does every time have to be a story time? Should I pop this? Okay. Done. Quick, easy lunch. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed you spending this time with me, these 20 minutes, half an hour by the time I put the bells and whistles on it. This is definitely lunch. Probably eat about 5 with my mom, maybe 4, 4:30. Look, my mom, you know, I'll probably get to her house at 4. So hopefully I can get the ticket, payment on the ticket done, get back home to editing this so it can be up before I leave. If not, you know what time you're going to get it. Having said that, God bless y'all. Positive vibes out to each and every one of you. Remember to always be kind and be your own advocate. I love y'all. Have a great week, and I will talk to y'all real soon, okay? Bye.